Hey guys, we are the Wickmans. My husband quit his job and we sold all of our things so we could spend more time together, travel the world, and learn new cultures. Join us as we navigate our lives in many beautiful new places. Walking through the town in Soar, trying to get our visas extended. Okay. It does look like the doctor's.
All right guys, so we were going through the footage here trying to put the video together, and we realized we never explained what was going on here. Kind of frustrated at the time, and just wanted to kind of get everything figured out and kind of forgot to film. So that was a doctor's office. And the lady brought us in and started asking if we had fevers and why we were there and what was going on. At first we had no idea. Like, we thought maybe all the questions she was asking were part of the visa extension process. Like, if you're sick, you can't stay in our country any longer or something. I don't know. But once we kind of got that figured out, she realized what was going on. She kind of pointed us in another direction, and you'll see in the next clip how that went. So yeah, Google Maps kind of failed us, because I'm sure at one point that probably was a visa extension office and not a doctor's office. It is what it is, and I just kind of wanted to explain that to you.
We're still looking.
So as of right now, we're trying to find the office for the visa extension place. We think we're at the right place, but we just went to a doctor's office. So she directed us across the street, so we're gonna find out if we're here. When we looked it up online, they said don't wear any open-toed shoes, make sure your shoulders are not exposed, make sure your knees are not exposed, make sure you're not drinking or smoking, be polite, do not show affection to anybody, and yeah, so they got some kind of strict rules, so just make sure you guys abide by them when you come. And like I said, $500,000 per person, which is roughly $30. So yeah, we'll keep you posted, let you know what else we find out.
All I know is that the lady who's working here has no shoes on, so that's a bit confusing. Because I am in full clothes in 98-degree weather.
Update, this wasn't it.
Could have told you that.
All right, little update. The location's changed. Thanks, Google Maps. So don't go to the place in Soar, because it's not going to be there. Come here, baby. Let me pick you up. Hi. Come on.
You're going somewhere else?
Yeah, we got to go somewhere else because it wasn't here. So the lady inside that place gave it. It was a language translator. Thank God she spoke good English. She gave us the directions on the map, so we'll give you the updated location and all the information once we get there.
Oh my God, you guys, we just showed up to the second visa place. Looks like nobody's home. This is getting ridiculous.
All right guys, so today hasn't gone so well. We've been trying to get our visas extended, like you guys know, and I'm not sure if the places I was looking up were the right places. Clearly they weren't. Around here they offer a visa extension service. A lot of places do. We weren't looking for that. We were looking for the immigration office ourselves, because we wanted to do it ourselves and we didn't want to pay someone extra money to do it. I think both places we went to today were visa extension services. The second one, the guy offered to do it for us, but he wanted to charge $1.5 million, which is 3 times the price of getting your visa extended. And we were definitely not willing to pay that price. I'm not really sure why I wasn't able to find the immigration office on Google search. Maybe it was what I was typing in. Maybe I didn't know what I was looking for, whatever it was. We're pretty frustrated. I think we're gonna head back to town, maybe go to the beach, hang out, kind of clear our heads, and start the process all over again tomorrow. So sorry for the runaround. It's kind of been a lot today. I would say the one good thing about all of this is that when you guys come here, you won't have to go through all of this. We're kind of learning the hard way, so you guys can do it the easy way. And yeah, this is all part of it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Woo!
We checked the surf cam, the waves were good. We had a kind of epic fail morning with the visa process, so we decided to hit it to Keramas and have a little surf session and a fun little afternoon. So we got ourselves a little day bed for 25 bucks for the day.
Well, they're going to do surf lessons.
Oh.
So me and you and Mom are going to go play in Bubba.
Right now?
Is that okay?
They're doing it right now?
Yeah, well, here in a few minutes. Look right here. Right next to each other. Two beautiful shells. Whoa.
Maybe that's the one you found.
Look at that.
That
Whoa! Woohoo!
We're gonna write Orion Xander's name in rocks.
Okay, let's do it, girl.
Here, Mama.
Thank you, baby.
What? Look, Mom.
Wow, you got coffee?
You collecting rocks for us?
Yeah.
All right.
His pants are falling down.
Is that good? Got a rock, got a rock, got a rock.
That better, puppy?
You got it?
Ow.
Wow, you're so strong. Let's take it to Mama.
I found one.
Thank you, Dad. This is my friend. This is my husband.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
I forget.
I'm gonna bring you a bunch of my sea glass. Yep, I want to give it to you.
Oh, let's go take it to Mom.
Oh, you getting it wrong? Walk around. Oh, thank you, Papa. Thank you. You're collecting all these rocks. It says A-R-I, and then I'm making the A.
That's good, Mom. Araya, look, we hit the jackpot. Look at them all. We can take these to Mom, okay?
Here.
Oh, a coconut? Okay, Mama wants a coconut.
I have to tell you something. Our friend Jeremy over there that we just met just told me that his wife is at a massage right now. $20 an hour, and I think I need an hour.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah, sure, bud. Oh, good job. All right, let me see a big throw. Woohoo! Good job. Mom needs some more rocks for Xander. She likes the lighter colors. It pops better on the dark sand, so that's what we're gonna look for. It's coming out good. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. Let me see. Oh.
Yummy pizza.
Oh.
You can have it. You can have it. It's fresh pizza with some pepperoni.
Thank you, it looks beautiful.
And it has some pepper. Has some sauce on it.
Oh, some sauce?
So be careful, it's hot.
Okay, can I have a bite?
No, you need to wait for it to cool down.
That's some good pizza, Araya. Hey, beautiful Mom, are you helping me collect?
Yes.
Speed the process up?
I'm really happy that we're doing this while the tide goes lower because it'll be perfect timing for me to go find some sea glass to top the night off.
What'd you find, Bubba? Oh, let's see how it's coming along. Oh, that's so cool. All right, Mom, got a few more for you. Coming in hot.
Oh my goodness, oh boy. He has so much sand in his eyes, Daddy.
Had to take you to the shower to get all cleaned up. Let's go back to the beach, okay? Is that a puppy? Oh, wow, that's a beautiful sand angel. Ooh, beautiful sand angel. Almost finished. I found this piece of bamboo. I think it'd be awesome to maybe do a little border at the bottom. How'd it come out?
I love it.
Sissy's doing a snow angel above it.
A sand angel.
That too, a sand angel. Came out so good, guys. Aww.
Don't get her, no. Oh my God, guys. I don't know if this is sea glass or not, but I wanted you to be here in case it is. It will be my best piece ever. It kind of looks like it might just be glass. But oh my God, if that was sea glass, that would be my best piece ever.
It won't fit in there.
I think it might be too sharp.
Yeah.
Want to throw it back for Nanny? I think we need to throw it back a little higher. Mess it up, Bubba!
Mess it up, girl!
Mess it up! I love your balloon. I just spied a really nice piece of sea glass. Oh, there's another one. But look at this, guys. What? That's a piece of sea glass. He's my little sea glass boy. He literally asked me to go with me. You love it? I get so excited every time I find a yellow, even though I've found quite a bit now. It's still just like such a rare and beautiful color. Look at this orange next to the blue. Oh wow. Yes, they're collecting those. All right, guys.
You guys ready to fly the kite? You flying your kite, girl?
See out there.
You see it?
Yeah.
Is it fun? Kite is actually one of the easiest, cheapest, funnest things to do. I didn't even realize how much fun it was until we bought them this $10 kite from Amazon before we left home. Did you crash it, girl?
I crashed it.
We broke it. We spent $10 on Amazon and it finally took a poop.
Broken.
So
It's honestly a good thing though, because we have been eyeing the traditional kites here, and we are definitely going to make a trip to go get a really cool one, and we'll show you guys us flying it here soon.
it's not broken, it's back to life. The new way to fly it.
Look at that! I thought I was about to get a little solo sea glass walk, but somebody's tagging along. What'd you find? What is it?
The sea glass.
Oh wow, good find, baby. Little piece. Oh, look at the shell. That's a beautiful shell.
I have a green piece.
Wow, let me see. Great find. You are an amazing searcher. What are they?
There's a dust. Exactly.
Look at all their little prints. You swimming in the tide pools?
See, there's been waves.
There it is.
There's been waves turning to dust.
can't beat coming back from a long beach walk to an amazing dinner.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, like and subscribe. You!